wonderful fall in US30. The whole week it traded with a little bearishness and then a wonderful fall. This is what we expected. I told you that I'll be looking forward to 32 700 800 as the first target, 32 400 500 as the next target. In fact, it breached 32 200, my next target levels. I hope you all profited, though throughout the week it just made us to watch while we were bearish. I told you last week that US30 has seen the highs of this channel and now it is trying to trade with a drop. Also remember, it has seen the lows out there and it is trying to trade bearish from here. This is a downward trending channel. This is a bear market and precisely it has seen a very strong drop. Close the week below 32 200. Now what is going to happen next week? Which position you should take in order to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe is missing on the profits, as I share my daily update on Dow Jones twice a day, one with the Asia session and next with the US cash session. Nobody is gonna give that and with accuracy, so definitely subscribe the channel and keep profiting. Now let's start the day. First we look into the chart followed with indicators and in the end I'll give you the trading strategy. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully. Now these are the weekly charts and I had told you that US30 has seen the high and now it may try to trade with the drop. Also months back I told you this is the support at 30,000 levels. Now it is again almost 2000 points away from these levels. Whether it is going to achieve that or not, remember after this reversal this is the first red candle. Also this red candle is a Mariboju candle, which is a standalone candle and with a flat top and a flat bottom out there. A flat bottom indicates if it drops below 32,000 levels it will call for the further bears and then it can take it till towards 31,000. If it can drop almost in a week close to 2,000 points, now it can drop. So this is a 1500 points. It can drop these levels in a week also, possibly. Yes, so 31,000 levels cannot be denied, but let's have a more detailed look before we pass on the verdict. Yes, there will be bearishness below 32,000 levels, then it will come back to at least this zone at 31,500, good support out there, and till towards 31,500 31,000 levels it has got very strong support. Only if it breaks below you can expect it is going to give you more bearishness. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts you'll find it has come out of this support zone, which was a stronger support at around 32 700 800, and see it has seen a retracement and the sharp drop. This is the first red candle after this retracement and hence with a flat bottom also. So yes, you can expect a little more drop, then expect that 31,950 levels, 31,900 levels, it may give it a next support zone. If it breaks below 31,900 it will call for a good drop and then it will try to drop till towards 31,000 levels, and in fact it can try to drop below these levels. So I look forward to those levels. Yes, 31,900 32,000, this zone you should watch out for next week. Dropping below these levels, definitely it will call for a further drop. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, 3 red candles is what we have seen. Probably it may give a gap down opening on Monday, opening below 32,000 levels at around 31,950. Then it can try to retrace how far it can go. It can again try to rise a little, and if it continues to remain bullish, 33,000 level is something which you should look out for. This is the high which one can look out for, and beyond 33,000 only one can expect that it is going to remain bullish, else it may drop again. On the downside, 31,000 is something which we can look forward to. So we have seen the daily, weekly and monthly, daily and weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the monthly candle. Now look at the monthly candle. Just connect the dots here and just draw a parallel out of it. Where is the support? The support is there, in fact, below 31,000, and then 30,500 levels is what you are looking forward to. Look at the charts. If it is trying to create a parallel, also look at the candle out there. It is getting the downward pull out there. It is getting the pull from the gravity out there, and it is looking downwards. It can try to come back till towards this zone, at least 30,500 30,700 zone, which is going to give it the next stronger support. So almost 1,500 points from now. This is what we calculated from our weekly charts. Also the candle size can be smaller from what we have seen, or of the same size, and hence we can expect at max 1,500 points, which will bring it till towards 32,700 32,500 zone. Oh sorry, 3,700 3,500 zone. This is the next support, but whether it is going to fall till there, let's have a look with the help of indicator. On the 4-hour charts, it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and in fact the entire candle is outside the Bollinger Bands. Either the bands has to widen or the candle has to get a pullback, and hence above 32,500 only something which you can expect that it is trying to reverse for 32,800, 33,000 levels, and the larger resistance zone is here at around 33,300, 500 levels. Only sustaining above these levels you can consider that as bullish. Directional movement extremely bearish. It is wide divergent on the 4-hour charts, may converge. Stochastic oversold, it can try to show you a pullback after sustaining on the oversold levels, but remember the MACD has just crossed over. This is just 2 candles apart. It can give you further large bearish candles and take it further down. I look forward to next few candles. It can give you a gap down opening, take it below 2,000 levels, then looking forward to 31,500, and if it draws below these levels 30,500 can be seen. The RSI is now trading oversold, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, remember 20 period moving average gave it a resistance, and it precisely achieved the highs and dropped from these levels I told you, and we had seen that 30,500, 33,500 provided a stronger resistance on the upside. Now it is trading below the 50 period moving average, and in fact there is a crossover which you can see 50 period and 100 period moving average. Now it is trading in between these levels. It may try to achieve these levels. 32,050, 32,000 is something you should watch out for, and in fact 31,900 you should watch out for. These two levels, if it breaks, it will call for the bears out there. Then 31,500 and below levels can be seen. Now I'll look forward to 32,000. If it drops below, yes, you can expect it to drop a little from there. Also look at the directional movement. This is bearish, it has crossed over. Stochastic tried to come out, and now again looking downwards, again trying to enter into oversold position. The MACD is on the first half or on the bull half of the levels, and yes, it is still in positive, and if it drops, see it is divergent bearish, it may try to get it into the oversold zone, and from there a rise can be expected. The RSI 2 is again looking vertically downwards, potentially trying to come back into oversold zone, indicating more bearishness there. And if you look at the weekly charts, again diverging here, it was bearish so far, it tried to cross over, now again trying to diverge and remain bearish. The stochastic was overbought and now looking downwards, indicating little bearishness there. The MACD has crossed over, it is trying to converge, it is just 5 candles apart, and it is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI 2 is looking downwards, indicating bearishness. And if you look at the monthly charts, similar is the observation. And if it drops below 30,500 next month, you can remain short. Then we will look forward to 29,000 and 28,000 level, which are going to remain the strongest support for US30. The directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. The stochastic is near to bottom, trying to trade flat, and probably this semester or this and it may try to drop from there. And then MACD, it is divergent and it is bearish, and it may try to converge a little. See, it is trying to trade flat. I look forward to that, how it behaves this month. Probably a little divergence can be expected. RSI looking downwards. So we have seen the charts and indicators. Now let me give you the trading levels and strategy for next. And before I give you the trading levels, if you also want to learn the same art of reading the charts, taking the trades profitably, taking the right entries and the right exits on the right time, you can join my mentorship batch, 15 days lifetime support, and an opportunity to learn and grow together is what you get. Definitely the strategies taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. So join my mentorship batch. The next batch is going to start soon. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, I have launched my pattern page where one tier is for just a support of these effort, and if you appreciate my effort and support, you can definitely become a pattern founding member. And then the next tier is what I have introduced recently, which is where you get the maximum, you get the opportunity to discuss with me, learn and understand the future prospect of the particular trade or a particular instrument. You can try to get the queries resolved where you have a certain position and you want to resolve your queries on that. You can discuss with that. Also, you will get the signals from me where you can trade as per the signals and get profit. So become the pattern, become the consulting partner pattern, which is the maximum value you will derive at. So the pattern page link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Do join that. Now regarding next week, yes, if you see it trading beyond 32,300, you can go long beyond these levels, but remember the next target is totally towards 32,420, 32,500 levels. These levels you should watch out for. Only if it sustains above 32,500, you can expect that it is going to act little bit bullish, and then I will look forward to 32,700 and 32,800. Remember, these were the levels we talked about, and I will look forward to this zone. If it breaks past this, then directly 32,950, 33,000 levels can be seen there. Sustaining beyond 33,000, it will call for the bulls out there, and it is going to remain bullish beyond those levels. Stay cautious. I don't expect that it is going to happen, but these are markets, anything is possible. On the downside, if you see it dropping below 32,100 levels, go short. 32,000 first support, 31,950 the next target, and then 31,900. If till 31,900 there is a possibility for it to reverse. Hence till here you have to trade with the stop loss at cost, or trade with the keep closing your trades with every milestone and re-entering. That is another way, or keep a trailing stop loss such that in the case of a reversal you can close your trades in profit. Below 31,900 directly it will look forward to 31,700 and 31,500. This is the level you should watch out for. Below 31,500 it will fall further. This time the drop is going to be sharp. 31,200, 31,000. And if it drops below 31,000, 30,500 cannot be denied in next few days, next 3 days itself. These are markets, anything is possible. Any long entry is only if you see it sustaining above 32,500 levels and then 32,700, 800 zone. If it sustains above this, you can definitely remain long, else it may give you a drop in a single day or couple of days. So trade accordingly, trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my pattern page. The links and channels are mentioned in the description, channel description and video description. Also you can reach out to me via telegram or email for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email ID are mentioned in the channel and video description too. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.